Good morning, students. This is the revision video for your second unit test of English grammar. Now we have already done the explanation, we have done revision exercises, so there is nothing new in this grammar revision video except I'll be showing you the portion and the paper style. Now the portion for our second unit test consists of just two chapters, chapter 3 adjectives and chapter 4 verbs. The paper style. For your unit test, it is of 25 marks and the distribution is like this. Question 1 will be put the words in the right order to make meaningful sentences, that is of 10 marks. So I'll be asking you 5 sentences which are randomly given. We have already done this exercise. I'll show you which exercise I'm talking about. Each sentence will be carrying 2 marks, and even if there is one mistake, you will be losing those marks. So make sure that you revise it. The concept is clear, how you have to write the sentence. Second question will be fill in the blanks with the right words from the brackets. Even that exercise is from adjectives. You will have to choose the proper adjective for the blank. One blank will consist of 5 marks. Of 1 mark, and there will be 5 such blanks. Question 3 will be fill in A or N in front of these nouns. Based on the consonant sound or vowel sound, you will have to write which article will come for that. And fourth one, fill in the blanks with suitable articles. A, N or the. Put X if you think there should not be any. Even that will be of 5 marks. Now, I am not explaining you the concepts again, nor am I giving you the extra exercise. Here, let's see which exercises I am talking about. This exercise is from textbook only, so this is just a revision. Put the jumbled words below in the right order to make sentences. I won't be asking the same sentence, but this kind of questions will be asked. Bananas, these, yellow, nice, look. These yellow bananas look nice. So based on the adjective, which one will come? First we'll talk about these yellow bananas, not these nice bananas look yellow. That is not correct. It will be these yellow bananas look nice. The cold water in the pool is. What will be the correct format? The water in the pool is cold. This is how it will be. First the noun will be there, and in the end the adjective will be there. We won't say the cold water is in the pool. Even that will be wrong. The water in the pool is cold. Paper, this piece of square is. It will be this piece of paper is square. Or not like this is square piece of paper. Even that will be wrong. It will be this piece of paper is square. Is mango tree this huge? This mango tree is huge. Not this huge tree is mango. Even that is wrong. We have to first show the trees of mango. So this mango tree is huge. Has Mala's new cat a soft coat and it is black? The correct sentence will be Mala's new cat is black and it has a soft coat. Full stop. Understood? So this is the kind of question which will be asked for 10 marks. Each sentence 2 marks. Next type of question will be choose the right option to complete the sentences. This is based on adjectives. There are blank boys playing on the ground. There are some boys playing on the ground. Now which which adjective will be there? Why it will come where? That everything we have studied. So we are just revising the textbook exercise here. The pen is expensive. I don't have that much money. We celebrated my grandfather's 60th birthday yesterday. I have many pens but only a few pencils. This is the 5th book I am reading this week. We have enough food to feed all the guests. Next question will be fill in the blanks with A or N as necessary. Now this depends on the consonant sound and vowel sound. We have studied that. An intelligent robot and a clever bird. An oily brush and a dirty comb. A white dog and an orange cat. An old magician on a one-wheeled cycle. A boiled egg and a cup of tea. And the last exercise. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the where necessary. Put x where none of them are necessary. Our maths teacher gave us an easy test today. Poppy wants the Encyclopedia Britannica from the library. It rained so much the river near our village was flooded. The Times of India has published a photograph of the Himalayas. GT is the best chess player in the world. Grandma, GT, Mac and Post took the first train to Suez in the morning. The Sahara Desert covers large sections of some countries like Algeria, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Niger, etc. The Sahara Desert is the hottest desert in the world. So this is all with your revision video. Other thing, make sure that you go through the different exercises, you go through your textbook exercises. If there is any doubt, even through reading you will understand. I hope after so much of practice, you won't be having any doubts, but still, just to be sure, because as I told, in grammar, even if there is one mistake, I won't be giving you marks. So that's it with revision video. I know your paper will be very short. Only this kind of content you have to write. You just have to write the articles, the adjectives, again the articles and the complete sentences. So it's less than 100 words that you have to write. So in that time, do not be in a hurry to complete your paper, but go through the questions carefully. Then you will get either full marks or less marks. So make sure that you try to achieve the full marks. So that's it. Bye.